Today I am going to show you how to mute and unmute an email in Gmail using your PC. This is very useful if you want to stop email notifications from a specific sender without deleting their emails. Let's get started. First, I open Google Chrome from my desktop. Then in the top right corner I clicked on the Google Apps icon next to my account picture. From the drop-down menu I selected Gmail and the Gmail interface opened. Now I went to an email and right-clicked on it. A drop-down menu appeared and from there I clicked on mute. Once the email is muted, you will no longer receive notifications from that sender. However, the email will still be received in your Gmail account, they just won't be appeared in your inbox. Next, from the left side panel, I clicked on All Mail and scrolled down. Here I found the email that I had muted earlier. To unmute it, I right-clicked on the email again. When the drop-down menu appeared, I clicked on Unmute. As soon as I did that, the email was moved back to the inbox and notifications from that sender were restored. And that's how you can easily mute and unmute emails in Gmail on your PC.